Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another box from Summit Racing. And what we're gonna have here, these are from Summit Racing. Okay. But anybody know, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Who does Summit get their stuff from? These, my friend, are subframe connectors. Got your hardware, instructions. We'll take a look at them in the box. I'll pull one out for you. Hoping to get these bolted in, as well as the new leaf springs. I got the hardware and shackles. I got the Monroe shocks right there. I even got my CJ Race Cars towel out here. CJ Race Cars. Alright everybody. Dig one of these out. With the bolt-in style. These go into the frame. These sandwich against the leaf spring perches in the front. Pretty good quality, it looks like. Probably the same thing as competition engineering. Maybe they do it. Good welds. Really good welds. I don't know if you can see that. Really good welds. Black powder coated, really good. Another part of the Nova that's going to go in, I'm hoping today. Alright everybody, that's unboxing the frame connectors, Summit brand. But I'm thinking they're probably competition engineer. I know that like their ignition stuff. I believe MSD does all their ignition stuff. So I've got a Summit brand ignition, and further look into it, looks like it's all MSD. You open it up, it says MSD in there. Alright everybody, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. These are the Summit brand frame connectors, bolt-in frame connectors. Alright, I'm out.